Welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. Today, we will make a unique, easy menu with medicinal rasam. First, we will start with the carrot poriyal. I have soaked quarter cup of moong dal for 10 to 15 minutes. It can be done without soaking, but I use the time to grate the carrot for soaking the moong dal. 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 500 grams, that is half a kilo of grated carrot, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 green chilies, a few curry leaves, quarter cup of grated coconut, a little chopped coriander leaves to garnish. Quarter teaspoon mustard to temper, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil. This can be done in a kadai too, but the time taken to cook the dal will be more. In this method, the poriyal will be ready in 5 minutes. In a 3-liter cooker, I add 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil, quarter teaspoon mustard, a little hing. Allow to splutter. Now add the green chilies, grated ginger, curry leaves. Drain the water from the soaked moong dal. Add it to this. Add the turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of water. Close and cook for 1 whistle. 1 whistle done. Release the pressure and open. We don't want to overcook the moong dal. By doing this, it will be a little crunchy. You can see that there is no charring. Now add the grated carrots. Add the required salt and add 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Close and cook for 1 whistle. 1 whistle done. Release pressure and open. You can see it's cooked well, but it's not mashed or mushy. Even the carrots have retained its shape. Now add the grated coconut and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Garnish with coriander. It's ready to be served. Next, we will make the special rasam. We all know the medicinal benefits of Karpooravalli leaves. It is very good for cold and aids in digestion. For the Karpooravalli rasam, I have mashed 1 tomato. You can pulse it in the mixie also. I have added the pulp of 1 little piece of tamarind. You can skip the tamarind and add 1 more tomato too. Now add a few Karpooravalli leaves. I have added 4 leaves today. Add the needed salt, a little turmeric, quarter teaspoon sambar powder and 1 teaspoon rasam powder. You can check the rasam powder recipe in the description box. I have already posted the video. Add a little hing. Add quarter cup of water. Switch on and cook for just 2 whistles on high. 2 whistles done. Release the pressure. By this closed cooking method, the flavor of the spices and the Karpooravalli leaves are retained. I have mashed 2 tablespoons of cooked tur dal in half a cup of water. You can skip adding tur dal also. You can see the froth on top. It has begun to boil. Switch off. Garnish with coriander leaves. Temper with quarter teaspoon mustard and quarter teaspoon jeera and half a green chili in half teaspoon of ghee. Once it splutters, add it to the rasam. You can have this rasam as a soup too. Now we can make mango or mambada sambar. This has a unique taste with a mild sweetness and the tangy taste of tamarind. We will not add any tomatoes to this sambar. In the same cooker, I have added 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil, quarter teaspoon mustard. I have cut 2 ripe mangoes into big chunky pieces. I have not removed the skin. Do try this out before the mango season ends. You will really love the taste. Add the chopped mangoes. I have extracted the pulp of one gooseberry sized tamarind soaked in water. Add the tamarind water. No need to add tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon sambar powder and the needed salt. Mix it, close and cook for just 1 whistle. 1 whistle done. Release pressure and open. The mangoes are cooked. I've added 1 cup of cooked and mashed tur dal to this. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. Switch off and garnish with a little coriander. You should have seen that I used only my 3-liter pressure cooker for cooking the whole meal. The mango sambar, karpooravalli rasam, carrot poriyal were all ready within 45 minutes. Yummy and healthy lunch is ready to be served. Cook easy, cook healthy. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.